It's John Galante again with another Builder Innovator interview at the International Builder Show. I am joined by Nathan Diehl, who is the head of product with Deako, one of the bright stars in smart home space these days. Nathan, it's been a while since we checked in with you. You cut your hair and everything. You're not flying your freak flag anymore. It's okay. Let's just go back to the beginning and talk about the foundational line of products that Deako's built over the last few years.
Thanks, John.
For starters,
Yeah, it's good to be back. Deako's been around for a little while now. We've built products, and I think we're at about 11 years old. And at the core product, our Deako connector, the simple product family and the smart product family, we're on version 2 or version 3 of a lot of those products.
Yeah.
We've shipped already over 11 million connectors into the universe. That's a lot of different products out there, a lot of different modules that people can change out. So we feel pretty confident that we built a solid foundation out there. We've kind of proven that a modular control platform is the future and it's here to stay. You see some other competitors in the space doing a little bit of imitation. So I'm deeply flattered to see that. And, but I think really what's next is what's going to set us apart.
You've had a new construction focus largely since the inception, not exclusively, but very strong new construction. So those unit numbers, considering that the focus has been on new construction, are pretty darn impressive. You're also part of one of the most successful and high-level programs in the country, and that is the D.R. Horton Smart Home.
The Home is Connected platform,
Talk to me a little bit about that, what your place is in their offer, and maybe how the functionality has been deployed on a broader basis as that program has matured.
Yeah, so our goal really was to be able to proliferate a platform, and one of the prerequisites for that is to be able to have mass adoption. So whenever we were looking at our go-to-market early as a business, we wanted to find a partner that was going to help us scale, help us bring strong legitimacy, and just get the trials and tribulations out of the way quickly and develop the scale to be able to operate.
Yeah.
So we chose to focus the product line in on the production home builder market. We found a good partner with D.R. Horton, an exclusivity relationship that's been great for a long time. And that's really let us stretch our wings. We're in over 300,000 homes. And we're part of that Home is Connected platform, along with Alarm.com and a couple other product companies.
Yeah.
So
a little bit more on the modularity of the platform. Just talk about basic functionality, the concept of
it.
Right?
I should have brought a prop.
Well, you're going to have to paint with words.
So Deako has a connector that's installed in the wall. It's installed in the wall by the electrician during electrical trim. And inside of it goes a simple on-off rocker switch and a screwless faceplate. It's kind of an elegant Euro-style industrial design that looks really good. It's a real different looking product out there, but it still has some real classic appeal.
Yeah.
So what that allows anybody to do without any tools is to pop the faceplate off, pull this little blue tab, and remove the module.
Yeah.
After you remove the module, you can replace it with any of our products. So from our simple product line, that's simple timer, simple dimmer, simple motion sensor, a few others. So if you're just want to keep it simple inside of your house, you have a solution there to be able to pop it in, put the faceplate back on, and then you have a simple dimmer or perhaps a motion sensor.
Yeah.
Additionally, we have a smart product line, and that's really what's part of the Home is Connected platform, is the ability to connect into those different ecosystems, whether it's the alarm ecosystem or the custom home control ecosystem.
Yeah. And in addition to having this flexibility in terms of the device in that modular switch, the modular switch itself has been designed to be very easy to install and terminate, right? I think I remember that from our previous
that backplate or the connector, that's something that's really easy for electricians to be able to install. It's very intuitive for them. It's very robust and diverse. Holds up to the rough construction environment.
Yeah.
So it's something, the nice thing about having a product that's modular is you can kind of focus a component onto the one audience, electricians, builders, and then the other product into the homeowner and the actual user.
And you guys did intensive consultation with electrical contractors.
That's right, you remember all that, that's good.
So like you really were looking for differentiated positive differentiation in the feature set.
And I
So
feel,
now let's go ahead.
yeah,
You have more
I feel
to
like
say?
we've kind of hit the proof point on that.
Yeah,
That product that we last talked about, the universal backplate or universal connector,
yeah,
has matured. We've shipped millions of those things now.
yeah.
So it's kind of a proven platform in the market. What we've been working on is an evolution of our smart products, and we
Yeah.
released a new smart switch recently.
Yeah.
It's made it even easier for the integrator or the homeowner to install.
Yeah.
Kind of takes out some of the complexity of what do I need to buy and how do I install it. Right now, you just pop it in the wall, and it'll look if there's any other switches in the circuit. It'll talk to them over the electrical wires and wirelessly to program itself. So again, like, accessibility is the spirit of the product. And that's always the lens we look through when we're designing new things or figuring out what we're going to build next.
So the new of right now
Yeah,
is this kind of self-configuring, self-seeking,
that's right.
and you've
Yeah.
got a name for it. It's magic something.
Yeah, so the underlying technology in the product's called magic linking. And that allows a switch to be able to discover other switches in that same circuit, controlling the same lights,
Yeah.
and configure itself so they all work just by popping it in.
Yeah.
That's something that before you had to figure out what you wanted to buy. You'd have to go through a tedious, fold out the instructions, figure
Yeah.
out how to do the process.
Yeah.
Now you just plug it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds cool. Incremental, but cool.
Yep.
Now, what's next?
So we're going to do that to the dimmer, but that's just incremental. But really, what we're excited about is the AI revolution in the smart home. There has just been a tectonic shift in technology that has changed and made more accessible, doing complicated things and making it simple and elegant to the home user. So what we're working on, can't do too many
Code
details
name.
specifically. I can't say
No
that.
code name even.
Yeah, even
Can't
the code.
give it away.
I can't give the code
Yeah.
name away, but
Okay.
it's a technology that allows us to understand who is in the house, where they are, and what their intentions are inside of the house. So imagine a world where you can walk through your house and the lights come on and off automatically. They're kind of understanding where you're probably going to go. So the lights are already on in that room. They're turning them off after you left, so it's not disruptive. A really organic and kind of ambient experience inside of the house.
Oh, cool.
We're going to bring that same type of experience to other use cases as well,
Right.
and develop this kind of AI intelligence layer inside of the house that's going to allow for kind of a multitude of use cases.
And we already have speech recognition built into some of the modules, right?
Not right now. We have it in our app. So you can
Okay.
actually talk to an AI agent in the
I see.
Deako app and program it with natural language.
Are you excited about where we're going with the natural language with like the Alexa Plus
Yeah.
format? I mean, she's way more conversational.
It's way
right?
better than it used to be.
Yeah.
I think that there's still a lot of growth to happen in the market.
Yeah.
I think that we'll see, we'll see a much deeper integration, a much more intuitive use of technology inside of our house. And really, that's the goal that I want to accomplish, is I want to make all those use cases that are possible in $5 to $10 million houses through $100,000, $200,000 systems,
Yeah.
things that you can do in an everyday house.
Yeah, I think we've been talking about this for a long time. The reality is it's been kind of wooden as an experience for most of the life cycle of
Yeah.
that experience, and you're telling us it's going to smooth out and really start to feel good for the
Yeah.
users, right? That's
Yeah.
your goal.
It is. The key thing is the way that you interact with it.
Yeah.
Right now, if you want to change something or program something, you have to understand what problem you're solving, what product you need to be able to solve that problem, how to program it, how to test it, and how to fix it when it's broken.
Yeah.
Well, that just means that 90% of the people are going to give up at some of the point of that journey.
Yeah.
With natural language models and other technologies that are available, you can just talk to your phone and say, I want the lights to come on and off automatically whenever it gets dark outside.
Yeah.
And right now, the Deako app says, cool, got it. And it just programs it for you. So
Yeah.
people understand the problems they have in their house. They just can't articulate how to solve it with technology.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
what AI is going to fix for
That
us.
sounds very cool. Thanks for telling us
Yep.
about it and teasing us on it. And when it comes out and you're ready to stop teasing and start telling the full story, you let us know, because we want to be
Absolutely.
the first ones to break the news. Thanks
Yeah.
for
Of course, John.
being a great partner in
Always
the
fun.
Builder Innovator community, and congrats on all your progress.
Thanks, John.
Take care.